Hey, good morning, everybody. This is John from Volkswagen Planet, and today, hopefully, will be another great day. And what I mean by another great day is, if you guys remember, I got the Suburban over there, got that fired up, cranked up from his transmission. So now it's time to get focused on the 1972 Super Beetle. So if you guys remember from the past, this has been on and off again 2-year project. This car was originally a parts car that the last owner stripped parts for a Porsche 356 kit car. So let me show you what I've done so I can take you guys along with the adventure. I know probably the camera's probably going to be shaking a little bit more today, more than normal, because I'm just as nervous to do this. I do have the fire extinguisher handy. So let me go over and take you guys over to the battery and show you where I'm at. All right, so not to bore you guys and everything else, but the negative is hooked up. The positive is hooked up. I even got the negative strap on the transmission underneath hooked up. To the best of my knowledge, I've got the all the wires correct. So I got the Bentley and just a couple wiring diagrams that I printed out. So let's go over to the driver's side and I'll show you what's going on over there. All right, so what I'm showing you here is all the fuses are good fuses, and what I mean by good fuses is the metal bars are still intact. That's about the only way I know how to tell if they're good. I mean, if there's some other way of telling, please comment below. But it shows all 8 amp fuses are the white, the 2 red 16 amps in the middle, and the last 2 are 8 amps. This is a 1972 Super Beetle. Like I said, this is the one that I've got all the wiring schematics, diagrams, and I did the wiring series on. Like I said, this is a pretty exciting moment for me. And what I've done is I've wired up the headlight switch. I made sure all the wires were properly connected from the, I just did a plug and play. As you can tell, all the wires do match up according to the manual again. So to the best of my knowledge, let's take a crank at this thing. Again, I do have the fire extinguisher handy, so let's gonna put that right there. So here it goes. Let's see if we can get this thing to crank up. So cross your fingers, guys. I have no idea what this is gonna do. So ready? Here goes nothing. Okay, I do not have the starter hooked up, so I really didn't expect I do have it hooked up, but I don't have the no fuel and nothing like that. So this is to the accessory position. So far, no smoke, no wiring, or no fumes. I got the switch on. Let's go take a quick walk around. Let's see if we got any lights anywhere at all. Okay, nothing there. Okay, nothing there. I really don't know if I've done anything wrong or not. Okay, nothing. Nothing. Okay, now this one I know I didn't put the assembly back in. Okay, so I've got nothing there. Just want to check up here, make sure I got nothing smoking. Well, it's kind of frustrating, guys. I really don't know what's going on now. I'm thankful that I didn't burn the car down, but I don't know what I did wrong here. Any suggestions, any comments would be greatly appreciated. Like I said, I don't know, guys. Just let me know what I'm doing wrong, where you would start, and maybe we can figure this out together. God bless you guys, and we'll catch you on the next video.